Hello students, good morning. Students, today is 17th November 2020. Your chapter 7 sources of business finance was going on. In the last class, I have started new topics that is related from the owner's fund. It means which type of the sources you will include in the owner's fund. I have already mentioned point wise in the previous class, that is related from the equity shares, preference shares, retained earning, GDR, ADR, IDR. So here I want to express each and every points in detail. So look here, first point was equity shares. Equity shares. So listen about the equity shares firstly. Students, listen. There are the 5 forms of the business organization I have already told to you. First is relates from the sole proprietorship, second is partnership, third is joint Hindu family business, fourth is cooperative society, and fifth is relates on the joint stock company. How can the joint stock company get the amount of the capital? With the help of the issuing shares in the market. Okay, कंपनी को अमाउंट कैसे रिसीव होती है? जॉइंट स्टॉक कंपनी को कैपिटल के अमाउंट शेयर्स को मार्केट में इशू करने के थ्रू रिसीव होती है. ओके, सो इन दैट टाइप ऑफ थिंग देयर आर द 2 टाइप्स ऑफ द शेयर्स. ओके, फर्स्ट शेयर इज रिलेट्स ऑन द इक्विटी एंड सेकंड इज बेस्ड ऑन द प्रेफरेंस. सो व्हाट इज इक्विटी शेयर्स? Equity share capital is the most important long-term source of finance. It is based on the long-term source of finance provided by the owners of the company. Okay, they do not carry any preferential or special rights against payment of dividend or repayment of capital. It means equity shareholders has invested their amount of the capital at the initial stage of the company, and at the time of the winding up of the company, the equity shareholders will get their amount back. Okay, so equity shares are also known as actual owner of the business. इसलिए इसी रीजन से हम बिजनेस के एक्चुअल ओनर में हम किसको रखते हैं? इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर्स को रखते हैं. ठीक है. एंड एट द टाइम ऑफ द पेमेंट ऑफ द डिविडेंड, व्हाट इज डिविडेंड? डिविडेंड इज द पार्ट ऑफ प्रॉफिट. यानी ईयर बाय ईयर कंपनी ने बिजनेस में प्रॉफिट अर्न किया. सो एट दैट टाइम जो प्रॉफिट अर्न किया वो प्रॉफिट किसको देने का हक बनता है? शेयर होल्डर्स को. ठीक है. सो शेयर होल्डर्स को जो हम प्रॉफिट देते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड डिविडेंड. हिंदी में आप इसे कहते हैं लाभांश, यानी लाभ का अंश. सो प्रॉफिट का पार्ट ऑफ द प्रॉफिट. ओके, सो एट द टाइम ऑफ द पेमेंट ऑफ डिविडेंड द इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर्स हैव नो राइट्स ऑल्सो. ओके, सो हियर आई वॉन्ट टू टेल टू यू इन प्रॉपर वे. ओके, सो लुक हियर, इक्विटी शेयर्स आर those shares which do not carry any special or preferential rights in respect of payment of annual dividend and repayment of capital. So that type of the shareholders will not get any type of the preferential rights. Okay, so the money raised by equity shares is termed as equity share capital. जो मनी हमारा इक्विटी शेयर्स के इशू करने से रिसीव होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल. Clear? So what are the features of equity shares on the basis of that type of thing? Risk bearer capital. I have already told to you about that. Equity shareholder has invested their amount at the initial stage of the company, but at the time of the winding up of the company, they will get back their capital amount. Okay, so ये क्या है? हमारे प्राइमरी रिस्क बियरर हैं. They enjoy the reward as well as bear the risk of ownership. Okay, they will get the award, they will get the appreciations from the owner of the company, from the directors of the company कि उन्होंने अपना पैसा कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट किया, एंड टाइम बाय टाइम दे विल गेट द डिविडेंड ऑल्सो. ओके, सो बट दैट इज रिलेट फ्रॉम द रिस्क बियरर्स ऑल्सो. ओके, सो हियर यू विल राइट फीचर्स ऑफ इक्विटी शेयर्स. फीचर्स ऑफ equity shares. So first point, a risk bearer capital. A risk bearer capital. So you can write it here. The equity shareholders are the primary risk bearer. Primary risk bearers. They enjoy the reward as well as bear the risk of ownership. ओनरशिप का इनके पास क्या रिस्क होता है? अगर कंपनी को लॉस हो गया, लॉस होने के टाइम में, एट द टाइम ऑफ द वाइंडिंग अप ऑफ द कंपनी, इफ कंपनी हैज नॉट सफिशिएंट अमाउंट टू पे द इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर्स, सो इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर्स को कोई भी अमाउंट रिसीव नहीं होती है. ओके अगर लॉस हो गया कंपनी को, लॉस की कंडीशन में अगर कंपनी के पास सफिशिएंट अमाउंट नहीं है इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर्स को पेमेंट करने के लिए, सो इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर्स को कैपिटल की अमाउंट या इन्वेस्टेड अमाउंट रिसीव नहीं होती है. ओके सो दीज आर रिलेट्स ऑन द रिस्क बियरर पर्सन, द रिस्क बियरर कैपिटल. नाउ मैच्योरिटी, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू व्हाट it is relates on the equity shareholders provide permanent capital to the company and cannot be redeemed during the lifetime of the company. अभी हमने आपको क्या बताया? Equity shareholders get their amount at the time of the winding up of the company, not before winding up of the company. And one thing more, अगर winding up में भी अगर हमारे पास कैपिटल नहीं हुई, कंपनी के पास कैपिटल नहीं हुई, सफिशिएंट अमाउंट मनी का नहीं हुआ, सो इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर्स को अमाउंट नहीं मिलेगी. ओके सो मैच्योरिटी क्या है? मैच्योरिटी की टाइमिंग क्या है? एट द टाइम ऑफ द winding up of the company. It means here you will write equity shares provide permanent capital to the company and cannot be redeemed during the lifetime of the company. Clear students? Now third point, return. You know about that, as per their invested amount they will get the part of the profit and that is called dividend. अभी हमने आपको बताया डिविडेंड के बारे में. So the return earned by equity shareholders is known as dividend, which varies with the earnings of the company. यानी क्या, इनको जो पार्ट का प्रॉफिट का पार्ट मिलता है वो भी कंपनी के क्या अर्निंग्स के अकॉर्डिंग क्या होता रहता है? वेरिएशंस होता रहता है उसमें. सो हियर यू विल राइट थर्ड पॉइंट, रिटर्न. ओके द रिटर्न earned by equity shareholders is known as dividend, which varies with the earnings of the company. Okay now fourth feature is voting rights. You know about that students, I have already told to you equity shareholders are the actual owner of the company, so that type of the shareholders have the voting rights. So voting rights, so here you will write it, equity shareholders have voting rights in proportion to the shares held by shareholders. Now last features is limited liability. This is not the benefit, sorry, this is the features. So limited liability, the liability of equity shareholders is limited to the extent of capital contributed to them in the company. यानी कि जितनी उन्होंने कैपिटल की अमाउंट कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट करी है, इट मीन्स जितने की अमाउंट का उन्होंने शेयर्स परचेज की हैं उतने तक ही इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर्स की लायबिलिटी होती है, नॉट मोर देन दैट टाइप ऑफ द इन्वेस्टमेंट. ओके सो हियर यू विल राइट the liability of equity shareholders is limited to the extent of capital contribution, to the extent of capital contributed, not contribution, okay, capital contributed by them in the company. So I think, students, what is the meaning of the shares, what is the equity shares, and what are the features of the equity shares? Now it is clear to all of you. Remember students, this is most important topic, and ये आपको next year, it means class 12th में accountancy में receive होगा, मिलेगा, ठीक है, accountancy के syllabus में है आपके next year यानी class 12th में. So be sincere about it, okay. So now students, see about the merits of equity shares. So here we will write heading merits of equity shares, okay. So students, as you know about that, I have already told you these types of the investor will get their amount at the time of the winding up of the company. So on the basis of that type of thing is relates from ideal for adventurous investors. So first merit is, you will write ideal for adventurous investors. It means who wants to invest their amount to get the higher returns. So that type of the investment is based beneficial for the equity shareholders, okay. No obligation as to dividend. It means there is no obligation, no burden on the companies to pay the amount of the dividend. If the business will earn the profit, then at the time of the profit they will distribute the dividends. So second point, you will write no obligation as to dividend, okay. Third point, sources of fixed capital, क्योंकि at the time of the liquidation, at the time of the winding up of the company will liquidate the amount of the capital, the company will pay the amount of the type of the capital. So it is a permanent capital, as it is to be repaid only at the time of the liquidation of the company. Liquidation means winding up of the company. So here you will write source of fixed capital, okay. Now fourth point is, that is relates from the no charge, because at the time of the issuance no charge has been paid against the assets of the company. So here you will write no charge on assets. And the last merit is democratic management, because the equity shareholders have the voting rights. So on the basis of the voting rights, their suggestions, their different types of the opinions can be also accepted. So they have the democratic right, because they can also vote there, okay. So उनके पास voting rights है, so it is beneficial for them, okay. So now these are the relates on the merits of equity shareholders. Now listen about the demerits or limitations. Demerits or limitations of equity shares. Demerits क्या हैं, limitations क्या हैं, उसको ध्यान दीजिएगा. Point number 1, risk of fluctuating return. Risk of fluctuating return. It means at the time of the profit they will get the dividend, otherwise no. So equity share are not suitable for investors who desire to earn a stable return on their investment, as equity shares get fluctuating returns. यानी जिनको क्या फिक्स रेट से हमें रिटर्न चाहिए, so that type of the person will not invest their amount in the equity shareholders, okay, equity shares. Second point, high cost of capital. High cost of capital, it means the cost of equity share. The cost of equity shares is generally more as compared to the cost of raising funds through other sources. यानी जितने other sources हैं उसके comparison में equity shareholders क्या है, costly पड़ता है, okay. Now third is dilution of control. Dilution of control, it means, listen, the additional issue of equity shares dilutes the control and earnings of existing equity shareholders, okay. Then fourth point, legal formalities at the time of the issuance of the shares, equity shares. There are so many legal formalities has been performed by the company. Then danger of over capitalization. ओवर कैपिटलाइजेशन मीन्स जितनी हमें कैपिटल की रिक्वायरमेंट है बिजनेस में उससे ज़्यादा कैपिटल है, एंड एट द टाइम ऑफ द वाइंडिंग ऑफ द कंपनी यू विल पे द अमाउंट टू द इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर्स, अदरवाइज नो. सो अगर माना आपने ज़्यादा शेयर्स इशू कर दिए तो आपके पास क्या होगी कंडीशन, ओवर कैपिटलाइजेशन की सिचुएशन आ जाएगी. ओके, सो दिस इज हार्मफुल ऑफ द बिजनेस. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वाज रिलेट्स ऑन द इक्विटी शेयर्स. नाउ आई वांट टू कंटिन्यू द next type of the shares. Second point is based on the preference shares. Okay, preference shares, as you know about students, the first word of the preference is prefer. यानी क्या prefer means priority देना. Okay, so preference shareholders are those shares comma which enjoys certain priorities regarding the payment of dividend. यानी क्या, इन्हें इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर से पहले प्रायोरिटी दी जाती है एट द टाइम ऑफ द पेमेंट ऑफ डिविडेंड एट अ फिक्स्ड रेट. फिक्स्ड रेट से इन्हें डिविडेंड की फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड की जाती है. एंड रिटर्न ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट, रिटर्न ऑफ द इन्वेस्टमेंट, इट मीन्स विच टाइप ऑफ द अमाउंट दैट हैज बीन इन्वेस्टेड बाय द प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर्स, they will get their amount as like a investment amount returned back in the comparison of equity shares firstly. यानी equity shares होल्डर से पहले इन्हें हम पेमेंट को रिडीम करते हैं. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? we will see about the features of preference shares. फीचर्स क्या होते हैं ध्यान से देखिएगा इनके. फर्स्ट, so first point is fixed rate of dividend. Preference shareholders get their amount of the dividend at the fixed rate. So here you will write preference shareholders receive dividend at a fixed rate before any dividend is paid to equity shareholders. It means equity shareholders से पहले क्या, इनको हम डिविडेंड की अमाउंट की पेमेंट करते हैं and the rate of the dividend is also fixed here. Second point is repayment of capital. So preference shareholders have preferential rights as per the name of the preference. So preference shareholders have the preferential rights as to the redemption of capital. Redemption means that is related from the repayment of the capital. So here you will write preference shareholders have preferential rights as to the redemption of capital at the time of winding up of company. Okay, third point, preference shareholders have no voting rights while the equity shareholders have the voting rights. So here you will write no voting rights. So here you will write preference shareholders generally do not enjoy any voting rights. इनके पास कोई भी voting rights नहीं होता. Okay, now last feature is no charge on assets. So preference shares are also issued without creating any charge on the fixed assets of the company. So here you will write preference shares are also issued without creating any charge on the फिक्स्ड एसेट्स ऑफ द कंपनी, यानी इनका फिक्स एसेट्स पर, कंपनी की फिक्स एसेट्स पर कोई भी चार्ज नहीं लगता. सो इट वाज रिलेटेड फ्रॉम योर प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स. आई थिंक समझ में आया होगा व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स एंड इक्विटी शेयर्स. सबको इजीली समझ में आया होगा. इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट देन स्टूडेंट्स यू कैन ऑल्सो आस्क द क्वेरी विद मी. ओके.